Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can easily disconnect your SOUNDCORE LIBERTY 5 from your Android device and how to connect them back again. By disconnect, I mean just disconnecting your earbuds from your phone, not completely forgetting them. At first, to disconnect, you need to tap the gear icon over here. To the gear icon, just enter your settings and tap Connected Devices. Tap this gear icon near your device and tap this disconnect button over here. Now you will see this menu once connected, or if you go back, you'll see this Save Devices list. Tap your device and the Save Devices list to just make a connection back again. And that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.